The second one is Lightning L-Drago. This will be awesome. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, what's this?
Hi friends, welcome to Under and Twin Brother.
Hi friends! Tell you what, I'm very excited and nervous. Unboxing for random booster Volume 17 B-151 of the Beyblade Burst GT set. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Beyblade in one set! This series was released on 19 October 2019. After 7 days, I got this 8 Beyblades. Here are the few new parts. Let's take a look at all the drivers here. We shall look the detail when we unbox it later, okay? Alright, before we start, make sure you guys subscribe our channel, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out our next video. Okay, this is really exciting. So friends, are you ready? I'm ready now. Let's check out our first one. This one. Alright, my lucky number 1 Beyblade. Let's see. Cover is like plastic, so we don't know what is it till we open it. Wait a minute. The sticker from here, we can guess this Beyblade is Storm Pegasus. This is the Storm Pegasus Hurricane Atomic. It's the fan side. Look at this blue and turquoise. Now moving to the Hurricane disc. For a sharp angle. Now moving to Atomic. Rotating ball tip. It's very good in stamina, and I have this more than 2 now. Let's put it on together. It's a bit tight. Let's see the weight now. 53 grams. Okay. Now it's time for the set. I'm gonna choose this one. Let's see what I'm gonna get for this second box. What is this? I know it! With a Bahamut! Whoa, look at this! It's so nice! With a Bahamut 00 Cross Jolt Judgement. And it's a Tact. Let's open it up. Here's the Gatingo chip. Look cool, huh? With this little rubber, it will make it tight. Double O, my third double O collection. And this is crossbreed diamond shape. And last is this Jolt. This is transparent and clear. Cool! Time to skin. Okay, let's test the weight. 49 grams on it. Let's take a deep breath again. When is my Judgement Pegasus turn? Okay, let's choose the third one now. This one. Judgement Pegasus, Judgement Pegasus. So what do I get for this time? Yeah, let's open it. Huh? What is this? It's Fafnir! Wow, look, it's really cool. This is the Fafnir 11 Revolve set. Look at this, Fafnir Gatingo chip in the railway set. The dish is 11 and this is Revolve. Oh, it's very cool. I like this driver because they have a very strong stamina. Let's put on the leather and see the grip. $51 grams, not bad. 5 bucks. What should we choose another one? This one. Judgement Pegasus, are you here? Huh? What's this? I have no idea what it is. Okay, let me check. Judgement Pegasus! This is Judgement based. Look at this rubber. It will help to spin steel and attack people more aggressive. And this is Metsu layer weight. 8 discs. And this is play brain. And this key dash is tight. It's a defense type drive. It's very good rotating rubber ball here. Alright, it's good. And this is the one that I really like. Okay, let's put all together and scale now. $54. Our next is this box. What will I get? Let's check it out. I hope it will be the Tact Longinus. Look at the color sticker. Maybe it's Rock Joker. This is the time for the Rock Joker, Zenith, and Eternal Soul. It's stamina type. Here is a Joker Gatingo chip, orange and yellow combination. This is Rock base. It's from Rock Dragon. And Soul layer weight. It's a new pack for this random booster. Look at this. Zenith disc. It has 3 blades in the shape of Z here. I like this rubber. It will be more powerful. And we already have this Eternal. Let's get a quick skill now. $51. Okay, next. Are you Longinus? What's this? Let's check it out now. Yeah, I got Bushin Valkyrie. This is Bushin Valkyrie 0 Unite Retsu. A beautiful color, blue and pink balance type. Let's check it out first. This is the big Valkyrie cutting coaching. Not so bad. So what do you think? Take a look at this. Layer weight Retsu. Let's count how many shot angles in this base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All this one. I quite a lot of all this now. Look at this Unite Dash performance kit. I'm not sure how the performance is. Maybe you can try later. Let's put it together. $52. My last two is my Tact Longinus and Lightning L-Drago gear. Which one should I open first? This one. Yes, I did. Let's open this. This is the style of the random booster set. Lightning L-Drago 10 with Zephyr dash. Very special of L-Drago. Left spin attack type layer with 3 multi-dragon blades. Let's look at the back now. Ooh, good. Whoa, one piece. I didn't see this before. What's this? Is it a real gold? Moving to the gift, which is Tact. Really? I got this from Choji Valkyrie. Round design with 6 large clockwise blades. And this is Zephyr dash. The buttons look cool. Nice. 52, not bad. The last one is the Tact Longinus. Let's check it out. Yeah, Tact Longinus is here. Tact Longinus 12 expand trans dash soul. Awesome, right? Look at the cutting chip Longinus. It still looks awesome. Look at here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blades. Like his new part layer weight soul. This 12 expand free. The new part is trans dash. You can switch between attack and stamina type. Like this. Okay, let's get a skill now. 52. Here they are. If you ask me which one I like the most, then I will tell you. And this is my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about yours? Comment down below. Here's the stadium. Just have a quick launch test. First one is Judgement Pegasus. 3, 2, 1, go. Shit! A little attack. Oh. What was that? Wow! Now, the second one is Lightning L-Drago. This will be awesome. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Whoa, what's this? What's this? Oh, the attack is very good. It just hit something, but still a little bit aggressive. Wow. Okay, not bad. My third one, Tact Longinus. It's on stamina mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, it looks very big. Very good. Wow, what was that? Now let's try it. 3, 2, 1, go. I like that sound. Okay. And the fourth one will be Storm Pegasus. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, what is it doing? What in the world just happened? Okay, the number 5 one is a blue. I like this color. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It's very aggressive. And the number 6, Bushin Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Whoa! The stamina is not so good. And the number 7 will be Tact Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, go. It looks so big, like Tact Longinus. Whoa, the stamina is very good, but a little bit not stable. Again? What? And the last one will be Joker. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Wow. Okay, the stamina is very good. One stop already. We don't have any battle today. You have another video. We will invite you to teach us on the method and make a good customization. Good idea? You like it? Huh? Okay, that's all for the unboxing today. I get a full set of 8 Beyblades. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. I hope you enjoy my unboxing today. Bye!
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe our video. Bye.